Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and earlier I created these lessons right here to make a sweet little ship. I find it pretty cool, and I watch my kids use it all day today. I thought of a challenge. What if we tried to do it as fast as we can once we had the skills? So I'm going to quickly visit one of the videos and pause it. Down in the captions or the description, I give you a link to the app. If you haven't signed up, simply make sure you're in a Google Suite school. Simply make sure you've got the SketchUp app launched. Make sure that you've got a timer on your screen so you can prove how fast you're working. I am going to actually record this one all live so that you get to see the whole thing. If your school does not have a G Suite, you can use my.sketchup, which is just as cool. So here we go. Make sure that you have new and choose millimeters so that your measurements match up. I'm going to hit start and let's see how quick I can build my ship. First I delete the dude, rectangle, click and release, type 100,80 for the size of the ship. Zoom in so you can see it perfectly, switch to the line tool. I'm going to scroll out just a hair, find that midpoint, type 50, scroll out a little more, connect side 1, connect side 2, and make sure that I've got it connected to that point. E is for erase, P is for push-pull, and then I told you to push it up 30. I'm going to orbit around so I can see it from the other side. Select everything, M for move. I want it lifted up on the blue axis, exactly 50. Orbit so you can see underneath it. Select the bottom section, switch to the offset tool, grab and hold a little bit. When you let go, type the number 15 for the exact size that I want. I'm going to orbit so that I've got this view right here where I can see the back corner and the origin. With this selected, I'll do that again. M for move, click the corner, start dragging, tap Control, then tap Alt. Make sure you're on the blue axis until it says 50. When it does, click and you've got that section done. Orbit to the top. I right-clicked the mouse to orbit mine. We're going to do another offset. Start with your select, then choose your offset. Click and drag a little and then type the number 4 for the size of those rails. Switch to your pencil tool, find the midpoint, go across and find the other midpoint. P is push-pull. If you ever mess up, hit the other side. We want to pull that down exactly 25 by typing 25 and pressing enter. We need to draw the back piece. We're going to do that by clicking this corner and lifting up a little bit and typing 72, 50 for the size. Once we've got that done, we will push-pull it to the back, touching not this corner, but the one that is right there. Scroll out so you can see everything a little better. Do your offset tool again. Click that front face, drag a little, type the number 5 and press enter. P is for push-pull, but we want to push-pull from this side so we can snap to that end point. Offset again. This time we're going to do right here. Once again, we're going to type 5 and press enter. P is for push-pull, and we're going to tap to that line right there. Let's orbit and do the same thing on the other side. Once again, we are going to do offset. Click the side, drag a little, type 5, press enter. P for push-pull, and push-pull it to the inside edge. I missed, so I'm going to do Control Z, and I'm going to make sure I snap right to that edge. Spacebar, select, delete, delete, and my building is done except for the roof. Let's get a midpoint, move with the letter M, lift it straight up, type 30, press enter, and stop. Whew! The ship completely built in 3:34 while given the instructions. Why don't you see if you can beat that record, maybe even use your own fun measurements, and see how awesome your little ship can turn out. When you do have it finished, make sure you erase the silly lines we don't need. And that'll make it much easier to paint later when you get to that step. Oops, I missed that one. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick little project. I'd love to see somebody break my record. If you enjoyed the movie, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit notifications if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep sketching.